guys, mommy's gonna go shoot some stuff, okay?
Bye.
Love you. Can I get a beso? Mwah. Love you. Can I have a beso?
Bet.
Mwah. Bye. I swear I didn't know until I started taking pictures with you, and I'm like, wait, that angle is not good. This angle is better. So now I try. All right, so today we are shooting some content with Enrique.
Yeah, let's do it.
We are, not everything we do is sponsored, but we got to keep the content rolling out. So today we're shooting some looks. So you guys are going to see some behind the scenes.
You got me? Okay, I think this is my good side, Jesse, on my right.
Good, because this is my good side.
With the windows closed. Where was the other place that we had used? All right, let's try this. All right, I'm gonna have you step back a little bit, probably where that line is. The first line. There you go. All right, turn your body a little bit to your right. Kick your right foot out. Turn your body to your right a little bit, and then bring that back down.
All right, so this is some real behind the scenes. It's not all glamorous. I change in my car between takes, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Let's do this. Good, how are you?
Great. How you been?
Great. It's been a while, right?
It's been a long time.
Yeah, come in. This is Jessie.
What's up, man? How you doing?
So I can show you kind of like the little, like where we're gonna be filming, and then you can.
Do you want like candidates, or is it like more like you want, or kind of both?
I mean, if you want, yeah, if you want to do candidates, but it's gonna, you'll kind of see the flow of. Do you think we should do the photos first? All right, so today we are shooting a campaign. So you guys are gonna see some behind the scenes. We have Daniel doing photos. Jessie is behind the camera, and we are shooting some stuff. So you guys have to wait and stay tuned to see this. But is this arm annoying?
A little bit. Let's see. Or do you want more like body?
Yeah, we can maybe somehow put my arm down
Yeah,
so
yeah,
you
yeah.
can see the.
Okay.
Should I not have this? All right, guys. So here's the situation. I just received an email from the client, and they need these photos and video by tomorrow.
No way. That's pretty short.
I know. Well, we were supposed to shoot on Tuesday, and because I was sick, I was like, oh, we're shooting on Tuesday. You could have it by Friday. And they said, fine. And then literally they're like, can we have it today? I'm like,
Jeez.
no.
Don't work like that,
I'm
or
like,
don't work that quick.
I know, geez. I'm like, what? I'm like, you guys already okayed this Friday thing, and now they're requesting it today.
Be like super dramatic, have like
Bum, 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 bum.
I know, right?
Or like, how do you make dramatic music?
I know, right?
No, but I'm like, all aside, they really did request it yesterday.
Oh shit.
that's so weird though. Like even that one day over.
I know.
I mean, it's doable, but like to expect it, it's like they should know like that stuff does take time.
At
Yeah.
least a week. You know.
And I told him, I'm like, this is a Valentine's shoot. Like, we still
What's
got
the
like
rush?
a little bit, of time. Like,
When
what's the
would they
rush?
like? When is ideal? Like the week before Valentine's Day, or is it? Are they gonna drop it the day
I mean,
of?
I feel like some brands are like, cool, like take your time. It doesn't really matter. But I don't know if because it's Valentine's Day, they want to like okay this and then put it out so that way people have time to like order
That
and
makes sense.
see this.
That makes sense.
But yeah, they're
And
just
they're totally just like, I just need content, pictures, video, just
Yeah.
you promoting.
Yeah.
Cool.
basically. So I mean, I know it's like crazy, but even if it's not like all, just so I could show them something, like even if it's not all the photos or like the video if it's like super like raw, like if I could just have it in their inbox like tomorrow by like 3.
That's chill. All of them?
I mean, whatever, like
Right.
your top like
10.
10.
Okay.
Do they have a requirement for how many photos that they actually want?
Right,
Like
right.
total?
You know,
That's
I
a good
haven't even
question.
looked at the I
Yeah.
hope we didn't even, because they usually send like a brief and like the guidelines. So they send like their inspo pictures of like what they expect.
Do you mind if I see
And
those when you get a
yeah,
chance?
go ahead. It's right here.
See.
I wish I could like CC you guys on these emails and be like, look, I'm not around. So
Okay.
these are the photos. Jesse, what is your schedule like?
I mean, I can try to get it tomorrow.
It's like, I mean, it's like a 2-minute video.
Yeah.
Is it? Yeah.
But like
I
the
know.
importing, editing, color.
I know,
grading,
I
music-
know,
Yeah,
I
it's
know.
a lot. It's a lot.
It's not impossible, but it's,
No.
And that's also
Yeah.
like essentially the why we're shooting all this is because brands do this,
Yeah,
and
it's
I
not
want to not say the names of the brands, but
Yeah.
I want people to realize like, wow, like this ain't.
it's not just
It's not just like she took a picture and then it's on Instagram now.
Right.
You know, there's a whole process.
For sure.
Um.
That's what's gonna separate you from others.
Yeah.
Good content.
Last week on Becoming Roxy, just like declining like every day, and it's not just like I'm losing like 5 followers, I'm losing hundreds of followers.
Bleeding
That
followers.
yes. So many things going on right now. I kind of wanted to have like a meeting with everybody to kind of discuss like our goals for 2020. In our case, you know, we own multiple units, and I can't just be like, oh, today I'm doing my makeup and then tomorrow I'm now talking about real estate.